Hey guys, how to get a refund on Apple App Store subscription. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead to our browser. We're gonna go to the website called reportaproblem.apple.com. Again, report a problem. I'm gonna paste it like this. Reportaproblem.apple.com, and you're gonna sign in using your own credentials, right? And you're gonna see right here in this little box they're asking you, what can we help you with? I want to request a refund, right? And tell them why. Basically, I didn't mean to buy this, or your kid just made that purchase without you knowing or without permission. And just select the reason, and then go through all of your subscriptions and select the one that you want to get a refund of, right? And then follow the steps of refunding the subscription, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.